Hello, my name is Manuel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to delete a column from a Dataverse table. So I currently have this table here, and let's say I want to delete this store location column because I want it to be of type choice and not a single line of text. So let's say I try to delete the column. Now I get this message that says that the column has dependencies that prevent it from being deleted. So what I simply need to do is to look for those dependencies, remove them, and then go ahead to delete the column. So for us to locate the dependencies, you come to this schema section of the table and then you click on columns. Now remember, we are trying to delete the store location column, so you click on this, you select the store location column and then you click on this advanced option here and click on show dependencies. Now you would see at the top here it says that the following items will block the deletion of the store location column. So that simply means that the store location column is being used in these two different places that are currently preventing it from being deleted. So the first one is in the active product sales region view, while the second one is in the main form of the table. So let's check the first one. So as you can see, the active product sales region view. So you click on the view and then we go ahead to remove the store location column from that view. So click on remove. Let's save and publish. So when it's done publishing, we can go back and click on the second dependency. So the second dependency is on the main form. So you can open the main form from there. And then when the main form is opened, we can now locate the store location, which is this, and then delete it from the form. Now when that has been deleted, we can now go ahead to save and publish that form. Now let's come back to the table and so as you can see, the dependencies are no longer there. So we can now go ahead to delete this column from the table. Now the store location column has been deleted. Now in this case, we couldn't delete the column because it was being used in the view and the form of the Dataverse table. However, in other cases, it could be because the column is being used in a business process flow or maybe a Power Automate flow also. So whenever you are faced with that error message when trying to delete a Dataverse column, you just need to check the dependencies and then just remove them and then go ahead to delete those columns. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye.